Wow, Bug, you are ready for this Hawaiian vacation.
Baby, we're children of summer. We're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the other. No reason to be.
Good morning, my Hawaiian baby.
Baby.
What'd you find? What is that? A penny? You found a lucky penny. Can you make a wish? Make a wish. Ooh. What are you doing out here on your little Hawaiian paradise? Is she having fun?
Yeah, it's amazing out here.
I know.
Look
Good
out
morning.
there, see the ocean.
Yeah, where
Look
is
up in
it?
Paradise.
Oh, it's over here. Let's go see the ocean. Our ocean view. There it is. You guys see that? That's the ocean right there. It's so beautiful here. So if you guys haven't seen it already, I'll leave a link to the video up here on the iCard, but we did a full vacation house tour, so go check that out because we give you a tour of the entire grounds and the house.
It's incredible.
It is so cool.
It's beautiful here.
Hi, chickens. Oh, they're scared. This guy's our alarm clock. He wakes us up every morning. You've got some competition, Bug, for an alarm clock. You wake us up earlier. Can you say hi, chickens? Can you say hi, chickens?
Hi.
Junie and I are gonna go say hi to Turbo this morning, huh? If you missed it, Turbo is this super old, awesome tortoise here on the property. And he likes snacks. I don't know if we'll find any snacks for him. Maybe we can go find him a kale leaf from the garden. And he is so cool. So we're gonna go say hi to him. You wanna go say hi to Turbo? Hi. Okay, I see him. There he is in the grass, sunbathing. Do you see him? Should we go get him a kale leaf? Say hi, Turbo. There he is. Hello. Let's go get him some food. Come on, Junie. Come get some kale. Okay, let's pick him some kale leaves, okay? Here, you hold this one. Let's just get him a couple. Yeah. Okay, you want to hold this one too?
Okay.
Okay, let's go feed Turbo. Okay, let's go find him. Give him some num-nums. Num-nums. This place is literally paradise. I'm blown away. Like every moment is just like, it's amazing. Oh, looks like Turbo's about to get into his little pool. Let's see if we can entice him with our little kale leaves before he gets in. Hi, Turbo. Hi, buddy. You gonna go for a swim? Do you want a snack first? Look at him. He's so cool. Okay, Junie. Should we go give him our kale leaf? Here, let's go up. I'll take this one. We're gonna put it on the ground, like over here for him. Here you go, buddy. He's crazy. He's like a dinosaur. Oh, he's coming for us. Here you go. Let's put it on the ground. See what he's gonna do. Is he gonna eat it? Oh, he missed it. He's just coming for us now. Where are you going, Turbo? You going for a walk? You didn't want your kale leaf? Say hi, Turbo. Hi, Turbo. Where's he going? He's pretty fast for a big turtle, huh? Is he cool? He's going to the shade now. Well, I guess Turbo was on a mission this morning and we can entice him with some kale leaves. I wonder where he's going. He's going so fast. He's going straight for something. I think maybe he knows the compost is over in that section because that's where he's going. There he goes. Turtle crossing.
Wow, Bug, you are ready for this Hawaiian vacation.
Woo!
I can't believe she can wear her sunglasses now.
I know, she wants to wear them.
It's so
she
cool.
wants to be like us now.
I know. You're like Mama and Papa. Cute. What do you see? So we are at Baby Beach. And apparently this beach is really cool because it has a reef protecting it from the waves, and then it's just very calm water.
There's like no waves.
I know. Let's go swimming, Bug. Let's go swimming.
You wanna go swimming?
Yeah.
We're taking a break from the beach to get some, I think tacos? Something really good, something yummy. We're starving. It's lunchtime and we're ready to eat.
Was so cool. We
Was that
swam with the turtles.
That was the most amazing beach experience I think I've ever
I
had.
know.
It was perfect for June because the reef stopped the waves. But you guys, I can't believe I was just swimming out there and all of a sudden that little sea turtle popped its head up. It was like a miracle. I'm realizing now, I don't know if I ever filmed what we were eating. We were so hungry, we just devoured it, but it was so good. We got some like lemon garlic shrimp and some soyu chicken and a green smoothie. It was so yummy. It has been such an amazing day. I just feel so relaxed here. The weather feels like a warm blanket at all times. The sun is shining. Everything is on island time. Everyone just seems like so relaxed. Also, I had like this little amazing beach miracle today. So when we first got to the beach, I had my hat and sunglasses on, and then I took them off and I just laid them up on the front of the beach away from the waves. I'm planning to put them back on, but then I never got out of the water because it was so nice and amazing. And they were gone. So I looked up, I finally remembered, and my hat was still there. It was covered in sand. I don't know if it was like washed up further from the water or what, but it was like covered in sand. But then my sunglasses were gone, and I was so disappointed because I keep losing them, and then I keep finding them, and I finally just found them again a couple days ago, and I was like, yes, just in time for our Hawaii adventure. So I was super disappointed. But then as we were leaving the beach, I was thinking in my head, wouldn't it be just the most amazing thing if they were just sitting here waiting for me? And then I looked down, and on this rock, somebody had placed my sunglasses right there for me to find, and I was just like, oh, it's a miracle. I can't believe someone did this for me. I was just so happy and so grateful that somebody left those for me, and it just felt like the most amazing and welcoming gift to the island, and I'm just really happy to be here. It just felt like a little miracle. This right here is a miracle. Like, look at this view. Hanging out in the hammock, ocean's right there. Junie's over here. Her favorite thing. One of her favorite things is just to walk back and forth. Hi, Junie. Whee! Do you see all the animals? You hear the chickens? What do you see down there? Boo! I was I'd say that was a successful first beach day, don't you think?
Very successful.
What does this mean?
It's the shaka.
But what does it mean?
It's like hang loose.
Hang loose?
Yeah.
Like relax?
Yeah.
Well, anyways, successful first beach day in Hawaii. Yay!
Play.
Did you have fun, Bug?
Play.
What do you got? Wow, that is so cool. So Corbin dropped off Shannon and the fam at the airport, so it's officially just us here hanging out.
We're on our own.
We're on our own, and we are relaxing.
June wants to show
upstairs.
you.
What do you got, Bug? Let me see. What is it, a car?
Car plane.
Did you find Dexter's toys? Hopefully that's okay, Dexter.
Mama.
So I will definitely say that we are still adjusting to the time change. I don't feel like I usually have a lot of jet lag most of the time when I travel, but traveling with a toddler with a difference in time zones is totally different story. June has been waking up at 4 in the morning, ready to go, and we've been trying to deal with that. But I think we're adjusting, and as soon as we're fully adjusted, it's gonna be so nice. We're gonna have so much more energy. I'm so excited for that. But I also am loving just like
It might just
so,
be Hawaii.
It could just be
might just
Hawaii.
Hawaii
We just
does
might be
that.
so relaxed here.
know.
I know. I'm not sure honestly, but I do think the jet lag has a little bit to do with it. So you guys see this? I'm not kidding. I haven't been able to see the background on my desktop for months because when we were living in the RV, it was just like picture overload all the time, and I just ran out of time. I just couldn't do it. So it's like my whole desktop was like completely cluttered with photos upon photos upon photos. So I'm finally trying to get a little bit more organized work-wise and creative-wise. So I can now see my desktop. That is a big accomplishment. Silly, but big. But I can't wait for another day in paradise tomorrow, and I can't wait to share it with you. So leave a comment down below what you thought about our first day at the beach. I think it was pretty magical. We saw and swam with sea turtles already on our first day at the beach. That is pretty much a miracle. Lots of little miracles today. So it's a special day. Thumbs up for that, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Be Roofeater.